Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, cargo area light, rear floor mats. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.